All right, so checking my valves, uh, making sure I've got the lash set correctly and my clearances. And so I've checked it, and I have it at top dead center. So number one intake and number 2 intake. That's what I'm doing first. They're at 0.014. So I've made my adjustments, and I've got these two now set at 0.014. That's what per the manual is. Now I'm going to go do the exhausts on 1 and 3 to 0.018, and then we're going to rotate the motor 360 degrees, and then we will do 2 and 4. So we're going to get these all set, and then I can actually put the valve cover back on this thing, and we can start to reassemble everything, and then we'll finally be ready to try and start it. All right, since the injectors are easier to get at without the manifold, we're going to try and bleed them before I put it on. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we have some battery. I have them all loose. All right, I got some coming to that one. That one looks good. Tighten it up. Jesus. All right, moment of truth. Everything is on. Muffler's back on. Manifold's on. Let's see if she'll start. Really good. That just sounds good. Sounds better than it ever sounded. All right, let's go check our break-in procedure here. Somewhere in this mess I have it. Alright, I'm going to break it in at a certain RPM for a certain amount of time. Run it up. Sounds good. Let me go check my oil pressure. Oh, I got really good oil pressure. break-in procedure is done. Seems to be running really well. It didn't overheat, nothing, no bad noises. I'll let her cool down, and then we'll retorque the head and check our valves again. That's for the procedure, but otherwise seem to move along really well. I had a little tiny bit of blow by, certainly nothing like what it was, and I'm hoping that's just that I need to retorque the head a little bit. I'm hoping, but otherwise the knock you were hearing in this is gone. It sounds really good, runs really good. And I suspect the more I run it, the better the power will get. So I'm going to park it and let it cool off.